Hi, this is Jennifer with the Gen Sensor Aromatherapy, and thank you for stopping by to check out our Anatomy and Physiology 1 course. This course has been designed to provide you with hands-on, practical knowledge and training to understand the function and the structure of the human body. We are going to be talking about body systems, processes, tissue states, and interactions among each of the body systems. So I want you to be able to competently and confidently, as well as effectively, be able to recognize what's going on in the body when we're looking at mind-body health issues, and then be able to match that up with the appropriate essential oils. That way you can create effective blends that are going to give you the results that you're looking for. So we're going to be going into a deep overview of the different body systems. We're going to be talking about elimination, absorption, digestion, intestinal, immune, lymphatic, the glandular system. So looking at adrenal, thyroid, reproductive, pancreas, the endocrine system, with the nervous system, the musculoskeletal, and integumentary. We're also going to go deep with some ethics, understanding. That way, whenever you are using it personally, you understand how to use it, but also in a professional setting as well. So we hope that you will join us, and we will see you there.